Hello students, welcome to class and welcome to this beautiful little boy who has a chicken friend, just a baby, just a few weeks old, but at approximately 6 weeks this baby will be killed. Look how gentle he is. Look at him. He doesn't want to bring her back to the barn. She wants me, he says. She's gonna smile. He's not sure if chickens can smile or not. Then he says, yes, they can. She's warm, and she's cozy, and she wants to see the Christmas tree, he says. So he walks over to show his little friend the Christmas tree. The sad thing about this video is in the background you see dead animals. Do you see the fur in the background? The dead cow on the floor? This home will betray the chicken and the boy by killing the chicken and feeding the chicken to the boy. It is sickening what we do to children and to animals. On the side, you see some reasons not to eat eggs. I'll read them to you now while you enjoy this beautiful little boy while he lasts. The egg industry tortures chickens during their entire lives by genetically modifying them and confining them to small cages without windows or proper ventilation. This would feel like you being stuck in an elevator with 15 strangers for your entire life. The industry also slices off the tips of their beaks with hot blades when they're just babies so they won't peck at each other during this extremely stressful time. Now, this chicken isn't growing up in that environment, but it's no different. How do you kill somebody who doesn't want to die? How do you do that in a way that's kind? It's impossible. Here's another reason. Don't eat eggs, because the egg industry never allows chickens to raise their babies because humans steal all the eggs. In nature, chickens are very caring mothers. For example, they open their wings like large umbrellas when it rains to protect their little chicks. We have no right to steal eggs from any mothers, not swans, not ducks, not robins, not eagles, not chickens. You can Google egg alternatives, like flax seeds for baking and tofu scramble for breakfast. It's bittersweet, the video, isn't it? Knowing how cute he is. It is wrong for us to take away a child's vegan virginity by feeding them corpses without their consent. This little boy would never consent to eating any animals. You can just see it in his heart. If a parent came after the animal with an axe or a knife, he would cry and he would scream. And this isn't the only animal that he loves. There are other animals that live with this family, and they eat them and betray them. Let's read number 3. The egg industry murders all baby male chicks because they're considered to be useless. Do you know why? Because they'll never grow up to be able to lay eggs. The egg industry kills these sweet little yellow babies at just 1 day old by cutting them up with giant knives or by suffocating them in plastic bags beside their brothers. Now, this one isn't yellow anymore. It's getting bigger. But still, she wants to live. She doesn't want to die. And he doesn't want her to die. The egg industry has lied to your parents and teachers for a long time by placing images of happy chickens on their products to try to fool you into buying them. But you can be smarter and you can learn the truth here at egg-truth.com. I can't get over how cute he is. Look at the chicken's feet. He calls her Chickie and he says she has blue eyes. Look at him. The cruel egg industry treats chickens as mere objects. when hens can no longer produce eggs, instead of acknowledging that each chicken has a unique personality and wants to live, just as cats and dogs do, chickens are killed. Vegans don't believe in stealing from animals, not their eggs, not their babies, and not their lives. Vegans believe in working towards getting animals a bill of rights to protect them from being needlessly harmed when there are so many other things to eat. To learn more, you can just Google vegan protein sources. There's no reason to be cruel. All good people are vegan or striving to be as vegan as possible. Are you? Each time you eat at McDonald's or a Kentucky Fried Chicken or buy chickens from a store, remember this scene. No matter where you buy chickens from, it's always wrong to kill them. Don't be fooled by labels like free-range eggs. The egg industry tries to trick you into buying unethical free-range eggs by lying about how the chickens are actually treated. Free-range chickens, like other mistreated chickens, are also crammed into large factories where they often don't get to see the sky or ever feel the sun because of overcrowding and very little ability to move. They suffer with thousands of other chickens, barely given enough space to open their wings. To help undo the harm you've done in the past, only choose foods without eggs from now on. Be kind. Like this little boy, it's in your heart to be like him. Try to remember how you never wanted to hurt animals. Don't eat chickens. Don't steal from animals. Chances are that if you're curious about backyard eggs, your heart's in the right place. However, these eggs are still unethical to eat because the chickens who laid them came from the same cycles of cruelty as those in the egg industry. Using genetically bred hens who have been manipulated to produce more than 300 eggs per year depletes them of vital nutrients. The stress on their reproductive system hurts them and can be fatal. Raising chickens in your backyard and stealing their eggs is speciesist. Animals are here for their own reasons, not for us to eat, wear, or steal from. Look at him. Adorable. I want to protect him. I want to protect the chicken. But this is the way so many people grow up. And the love that they have for animals is beat out of them. It's tricked out of them. All children have a right to maintain their vegan virginity. That is to say, to stay vegan, because they never consented for you to cut the heads off the bodies of anyone. I want to thank everyone for being here today. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to this channel. And coming up, you're going to see videos on screen. Click on them. Be curious. Don't forget to press the notification bell to help us keep all the animals safe and out of hell. Thank you.